So, if you're getting the "your account cannot be created at this time" error while creating an Apple ID, here are the best ways to fix it quickly. First, try creating your Apple ID from a browser instead of the device settings. Open Safari or Chrome, then go to Apple's account creation page and create the account there. This method works for a lot of users because it bypasses temporary device related issues. If that still doesn't work, switch your internet connection. Turn off Wi Fi and use mobile data instead, or connect to another Wi Fi network. Sometimes Apple blocks suspicious IP addresses temporarily. Next, make sure you're not using any VPN or proxy connection. Go to your settings and disable any VPN service before trying again, because Apple ID creation may fail with VPN enabled. After that, check your date and time settings. Set them to automatic and make sure your time zone is correct. Incorrect date and time can stop Apple servers from verifying your account properly. You should also try using a different email address, preferably a Gmail account, because sometimes the current email may already be restricted or unsupported. Now go ahead and update your device software to the latest version. Older software versions can sometimes cause Apple ID setup problems. And finally, check Apple's system status online to see if Apple ID services are currently down. If Apple servers are under maintenance, you may need to wait a few hours and try again later. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix Apple ID account creation errors in 2026. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more Apple ID fixes, iPhone tips, and troubleshooting tutorials.